Today I'm going to make some winter sweater nails, and the colors I'll be using are Wave Gel's shades of charcoal. Wave Gel is a gel polish, but the matching set also comes with a regular polish. I'm going to be using the regular polish today. The stamping polish I'll be using is by Hit the Bottle and is called A Flock of Seagulls. As usual, I'm starting out with base coat. I'm going to be starting out with 2 coats of shades of charcoal on all of my fingernails. The stamping plate I'll be using today is by Uber Chic and it's called Woodland Chic. I'll be using this little pattern right here, which is like a little sweater pattern. I really like this sweater pattern. It's smaller than any of my other stamping plate sweater patterns, and it's got thicker lines. So I really, really love this one. And it has a perfect pickup. I'm going to put the sweater pattern on all of my fingernails. So I did forget my liquid latex, but luckily enough for me that this stamping polish is coming off of my skin for the most part with just some Scotch tape. Okay. And I'll just finish up with the rest of the cleanup with my corrector pen dipped in acetone. And now I'm going to follow up with 1 coat of Maniology Smudge Free to seal in the stamping. And now that the smudge free top coat is dry, I'm going to follow up with my favorite long-lasting top coat. There you have it. Throw on your favorite sweater, grab your matching nail polishes, and throw some sweater nails on. I love this look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.